AMD unveils processor that half the price of Intel's i9 processor. AMD CEO Lisa Su unveiled news about its chip and graphic processor that will increase pressure on competitors like Intel and Nvidia, both in terms of pricing and performance. For CPU, its third generation AMD Ryzen 9 3900X processor, which has 12-core 24-thread starting at $329. For GPU, its first Navi graphic processor, Radeon RX 5000 series. The details will be announced after E3 next month. For data processor, its second generation AMD EPYC server platform outperforming the competition in a NAMD AP01 version 2.12. For details of functioning of processors and PC build, follow the links in description. Nvidia announces its Studio line of laptops to compete against the MacBook Pro. Nvidia, in association with Acer, Asus, Dell, Gigabyte, HP, MSI and Razer, is going to launch 17 laptops that are equipped with Quadro RTX 5000, RTX 4000 and RTX 3000 GPU or GeForce RTX 2080, RTX 2070 and RTX 2060. Nvidia claims they can perform up to 7 times faster than their MacBook Pro. Studio laptops with Quadro RTX 5000 GPUs will have 16 GB of graphic memory, and some of the devices will also have 4K displays and Nvidia's Max-Q tech for building thin and lightweight laptops. The Nvidia Studio Suite includes the CUDA-X AI platform for automating tasks like color matching videos or tagging photos of video editing and gaming and so on. ARM announces new CPU and GPU designs. ARM, the company that designs the basic chip architecture for most of the world's smartphones, announced the launch of its next suite of designs for premium phones this week. The company is announcing the Cortex A77 CPU, the Male G77 GPU, and a more energy efficient and powerful machine learning processor. Like with every new generation of ARM CPUs, the Cortex A77 also promises to be more power efficient and offer better raw processing performance. Another area ARM is betting on is mobile gaming, and by extension, mobile VR and AR experiences. The new Male G77 GPU architecture is the first one based on the company's Valhalla GPU design and promises a 1.4x performance improvement over the G76. It's also 30% more energy efficient.